ACT Cram, Conventions of Standard English Usage, Verb Agreement, Mock ACT Question 2. Me Medicine, Antidote Your Ignorance. ACT English, Verb Agreement Question 2. This exercise deals with verb agreement. Unlike the actual ACT, this is not a full passage. This is a standalone sentence. In the following sentence, circle the appropriate verb form. The chef who started all 3 of these restaurants was or were trained at a school in France. Now for the solution. Agreement is one of the aspects of verb usage that must be correct in order for a statement to be grammatically acceptable. That is, does the verb and its subject agree in number? Our verb choices are conveniently identified for us. One of these choices has to agree with the subject of this sentence. The subject is a noun or nouns that identifies who or what performs the action of the verb. Our first task is to identify the subject. To find the subject of this sentence, we ask ourselves, who or what is performing the action of the main verb? That's all we care about, that the subject agrees with one of the main verb choices given to us. In this instance, the core sentence, a simple statement composed of the main verb and the subject of the main verb, is being split by an interrupting clause led by the pronoun who. Our next step is to literally cross out the interrupting phrase, all of the extra words that elaborate exactly who the chef is. Interrupting phrases are not part of the core sentence, therefore they do not change the relationship of the core noun, that is, the subject of the main verb, to the main verb. The main verb only has to agree in number with the core noun that the interrupting phrase is describing. Now that we have stripped away the elaborate description, it's much easier to correctly pair the subject with the proper verb form. We are isolating the core sentence. We can ask ourselves which verb choice agrees with our singular subject, the chef. We can match the chef with the simple past verb form was. And now we can follow up by using our ear to determine if our selection sounds correct. The chef was trained at a school in France. Was is the correct verb form.